Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my September subscription box to DEK Designs. I'm super excited. I've had like 3 redos on the videoing, so hang with me. I apologize. It was officially unboxed. Just my other phone camera didn't work, so it's okay. We're here and I'm thrilled to be here. So I'm going to read this again. And but before we get started, I did in each one of my filmings here, I've been saying, be careful. This fits the whole entire envelope, and I used scissors to cut open, so I ended up cutting. I didn't cut anything inside. I just cut this envelope, which I will gladly just repair very easily. And just so you can see, it says DEK Design subscription. Isn't that beautiful in the rose gold? So Dawn doesn't miss a trick. So be careful when you open yours, okay? Because we went from boxes to bags because of just the cost issue. It was just crazy. But she's giving us extra paper, so it works out. Hello, planner family. Fall is almost here. This box theme works well to transition into fall. We have included extra papers for you in this box. Extra papers, yay! Okay, creativity contest will be pinned in our Facebook group. Share a photo of how you used your papers for a chance to win your October box. Yay! Okay, we can't wait to see all your projects. Everyone is so talented, and we enjoy seeing each and every design. Stay safe and sane and well planned. XOXO, hugs and kisses. Dawn, Emily, and Kate, and that is DEK. All right, so super fun. If you guys submit pictures to the Facebook group, leave a comment below. I want to see. Okay, I love this. I wear scrunchies. I love them. This is soft and satiny and rose goldy and just looks like fall, and I just can't wait. I love that. And then I have been looking at, I've had these kind of pins before, but they're longer and they're always super heavy. This one is perfectly weighted for my hand at least, and I have pretty bad arthritis in my hand, so this is really nice. And then it's just a twist. It's so beautiful. I mean, I literally was just looking at these this week, so, and I just wouldn't do it because they're too heavy. Can't believe it came in our kit. Yay! Look at this washi, pink and rose gold. I am in love. Love, love, love. And you might say copper, rose gold. I'm good either way. Oh, beautiful bookmarks. 2 of them. Perfect. One for month, one for week. I love these. Oh, and you know I'm going to use that piece of paper. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeousness. Yes. All right. Now, I am such a paper fiend. We're going paper first today. Sorry, guys. That's how it works. I love this. I think this is gorgeous, and I'm super excited to use it. And I've got this, and I'm getting this done, and I love it. I think it's beautiful. Look at this plaid. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I've got, whoops, I flipped it too much. Sorry, my husband was trying to come in, so I was waving at him. And I've got here, look at the butterflies. Aren't they gorgeous? I love that papa teal. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, look at this. Isn't this breathtaking? I love it. I love shimmer paper. I think it's going to be so beautiful. It's not copper. It's not rose gold. It's kind of a, I don't know. It's just shimmery, and I'd almost think mulberry, but it fits in beautifully with this. It just fits. I don't know how to describe it. Look, I have never in my life seen a doily that color. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at our transparency. Oh my gosh. I love that. So if you don't know, our granddaughter's bedroom and nursery theme was woodland animals. So I asked my daughter, we're getting ready to have a shower for our second granddaughter, who'll be here in November. Yay! What the theme is, and it's woodland theme. So really neat. I will be using that somehow. Oh no, I just picked that up. Same one. Sorry, I got excited. Easy to do for me. Hold on. Oh my gosh, we have another vellum. Oh my gosh, we had acetate and vellum. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Seriously, absolutely gorgeous. I may just make something for the baby. There we go. Love it. Maybe something for big sister. And look at that, the roses. Ooh, and then there's sunflowers. I love that. I love these kind of pages. They are very toile-esque, and many of you know we had a sewing business forever, and I love toile fabric. So I love when we see something that's like that. It just, I don't know, floats my boat. And then there is the last page. Absolutely amazing paper and extra goodies this time. Wowzer. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side so we can see all the other goodies. And then I will bring it back at the end. I promise. Okay? So, okay, here is the monthly for September. Gorgeous. So this is for you to do your monthly calendar, and it is gorgeous. I love it. So you get, looks like rose gold and all of that, Labor Day and all the goodies. And then here is the header, and then the days of the week. Now, I've changed what I'm doing since then. So I just kind of, somebody asked the other day a question about which one should I order if, and it really wasn't in the selection. I always tell people, look at the measurements in your planner, decide how you want to do it. Or get crazy, use your trimmer, use your scissors, cut it up. You guys have seen me do that. So have fun. I mean, that's the best part, right? We're going to have fun. So here is the side, what am I trying to say? Sidebar, all the goodies for the sidebar. And then, look at all these decoratives. They are so stinky cute. There's that beautiful fox. And then just some really good encouragements and birthdays. Love that. Love it. I don't think we have any September birthdays. Can you believe it? Okay, so I'm going to go here to the weekly. Oh my gosh. My heart just stopped when I saw what was in that. Oh, thank you, Dawn, if you're watching this. I absolutely love what's down there. I love it all, but I love that too. All right, let me get that out of the way. So here is our date dots. Love that for the month. You can use that on your weeklies, your dailies, however you want to use it. And then look, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I can't wait for them. I even put out fall candles yesterday. I was like, oh, I need to put these away because we're cleaning out and moving things and packing. And I was like, oh, no, I don't. We're going to have pumpkin candles right away. So look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Crazy beautiful. Crazy. Look at the half. Oh, I love those. That's so beautiful. And then the little bit bigger and then the quarters. I love these. And I love these that are writable. Oh, good gosh. And then here's your to-do list or your priority list or however lister's going to list. You can use it anyway. You've got your habit trackers, your clipboards, and I use this for my menu every week. And then here's all of those. So beautiful. I love the word stickers. It's just great to put on your calendars. It just pops. They're the glitter headers, the actual labeled headers. And then there's a weekend sticker. This is a beautiful scalloped, if you can see it, kind of washi, a little piece of kind of, oh no, these are banners. Ooh, hold on. Like little pennants. Oh, cute. And then there's additional if you need to make lists. So I love that. Ooh, days of the, what? Oh my goodness. So we got an extra half sheet. And this is work. All of this is work. I love it. Guys, how wonderful is that? Because we don't work, 1 day a month or 4 days a month. We work, sometimes 20 days. So amazing. That is really neat. I love the washi. This is so retro to me. I love that. And the days of the week, the tags, and what I call the postage stamp stickers. I love those. These are also... Let me see. No, she gave us little ones. I love those washies. I love that so much more than the header ones. The headers are great, but I really love those. Look at that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Priority list. Wowzer. We could do 9 listers gonna list. How great is that? Or you can just use them in your planners for each week. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. Oh, look at the girls. They're so pretty. Oh, all different girls. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, so pretty. And then look at those. I love these in my journals. These are my favorite. The Post-it notes and then the little scalloped rectangles. They are so much fun. Oh, the bows are new. I love it. I love the divider bows. I am thrilled she put that in here. Okay, here's the eyelet scallops is what I call it. The pennant, and then she gives us extra. Oh my goodness. And then we get those these are great for dividers on your squares and your planners. Oh my gosh. Look at those. The decoratives are so pretty. Autumn. That beautiful fox. Another autumn. Different kind of autumn. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it. Okay. Now these are kind of new to the kits, and I love these. These are just very kind of help you get your artsy fartsy on is what I say. Which, excuse me, I know that's not very nice, but anyway, get your artsy on. Okay. Extra Septembers. Love, 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 love. Okay. Your paint swatches. Love that. So those are on white. So you can see that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, ooh, your boxes. Love that. And then, oh, these I love. I absolutely adore these. The little kawaii squares, drawn artsy. Love those. And then here is more paint splotches and corner paint splotches. I love those. All of these are on white. And then these are the movie. I love the movie. They're my favorite. I use those because we don't really watch TV. Right now I have on TV because we have a new retro channel. And I tried to do a video a few minutes ago, and my birds were so loud. And I thought, I'm not going to do that to y'all. I'm going to put them over there. We got another little envelope. I didn't even recognize that. With a pretty bow and Velcro. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. And of course, anybody who follows me knows how much I love ephemera. And she does ephemera waterproof decals. Oh my, I've not seen these. I am flabbergasted. I am thrilled. And this one's glittery. Oh, look at that. One of my granddaughters will get that. So pretty. And then Hello Fall. Isn't that pretty? And that can be used as a sticker or as a, you can glue it in, but there's the sticker portion. And I love that she does stickers. Then there is the cinnamon pumpkin candle. Here is the beautiful book and candle and pumpkin. Another gorgeous pumpkin. And then look at the galoshes. I love those, or boots, or however you see them. Okay, guys. I gush on these. But I feel like I could gush a lot this time. Wow. Guys, this is a crazy kit. Oh my goodness gracious. There was nothing in it I wouldn't use. Because everybody gets kits and you think, I'll give this to so-and-so. I'll let so-and-so have this. Not this time. There is nothing I'm going to not use. Number one, she gave us tons of paper. Thank you, Dawn. I am a paper fiend, as many of you know. So this is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Fantastic. Gorgeousness. Gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe. Remember, we're trying to get to 2,000 quickly before year end. I have it scheduled for 2 giveaways. If we get to 2,000 before December, before Christmas, I will add another giveaway. 3 giveaways. So, all right. So like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Share this if this would encourage anybody else. Remember, there's a contest. So if you make something with your kit, be sure with the paper, be sure to pin it on the Facebook group, and you might get your October for free, your October box. And let's see, is there anything else? Tell me your favorite part in the comments. And most importantly, thanks for being here. Thanks, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Oh, it's so nice to have made it through this video because I didn't look at anything except for the first few layers for all the first videos that I did. So this is great. I love this kit. I have to say, to date, I think this is my favorite subscription box to date. I know. It's hard to say that because they're all so good, but I love this one. Okay, friends. I gotta go work in the camper, but we're getting it all cleaned out and getting everything loaded, so it's gonna be fun. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all be safe. Take care. Know that you're loved. You are so loved. Take good, good care. Okay, friends. Talk to you later. Bye.